Introducing the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.